front of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on System. Now select Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard and the keyboard. After that, you need to tap on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, autocorrection is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on this same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!